Uganda's renewable energy profile diversifies to involve biomass, hydropower, solar, among others. Exploitation of those at hand hasn't, however, been effective due to limited investment and technology transfer. Importers and exporters, wholesalers and decision makers have looked into possibilities to explore the untapped potential in the market. The Electricity Regulatory Authority has vowed to work with UNBS to realize quality standards for all electrical utilities.
Equipment you see here, for example, transformers, these solar panels, there are lots of equipment generators here. We want to work closely with UNBS to make sure that when these things come, they have a standard they have to meet as they get onto the electricity grid or into Uganda's electricity homes. Okay, so that is something that we're working on. So our partnership with UNBS is growing in all aspects that do with the regulation of anything called electricity. So why are we here in this exhibition? We are in this exhibition as a sector regulator to have a presence. Some of the questions that are going to be asked here relate to the regulator. They're going to ask about standards. They're going to ask about price. They're going to ask about entry into the market. The reason we're here is to make sure that we answer those questions. But other than that, other than the exhibitor side, people who come to visit the stalls here in the exhibition, they ask every question. Why is the price of electricity what it is? Why is my power going off? For example, there's a story that ran today that Mulago Hospital 7 babies died because of a power blackout.
For the market factions, local and Indian investors in the sector, there is common ground found in the presumed high import bill and lack of disposable income for Ugandans to invest in solar and alternative energy forms. To the local players, competition isn't a scary factor as they intend to entrench into the local market.
Usually being a developing economy, there are many levels of the people who do not have adequate disposable income to invest into solar equipment, for their homes or offices. In that area, what they do is usually go for cheap kind of products from which are not actually certified or even matching up to global IEC 61427 solar standards. So what we are working upon is to bring in, to counter this challenge, is to bring in products which are cost effective, which are easily accessible, easily affordable for...
Previously it was 25%, which was even very much, but now they have increased it to 35%, which is even higher. So we have had to completely stop the private sector supply to local suppliers. We are only supplying directly to government now.
That we deliver in the market are really of high quality and they are very durable. This makes customers to trust us, and even if there are other people who are coming with other products, the customer loyalty that we have built over the last 18 years in this market, they really keep coming to us. Someone who bought from us a switch will come again to buy a circuit breaker from us, to buy a bulb from us. So another thing is that we offer a variety of options. We have the biggest electric mart in East Africa.
The State Minister of Energy, Okasai Opolot, has rallied investors, especially the well-placed foreign, on technology transfer for that which will serve the needs of the country. Otherwise, such billion investments will be useless.
I want your active involvement in developing these technologies and making sure as we adopt them, they should also be relevant to our situation. We should not just transfer, bring it and use it.
As the electricity utilities market grows, powered by energy transition, more investment in the sector is more likely to be emphasized by supportive policies on renewable energy trade and technology transfer. Ronah Nahabwe, Smart24 TV, Business Today.